I'm gonna go for my hands this time, okay? We're gonna do some old school mountain climbers, but we're gonna do what are called cross-body mountain climbers. We're gonna go 30 reps, okay? So lock those shoulders into place. So priority number one is that you don't wanna look like this. If you're eating your shoulders or you're wearing them like earrings, pull them away from your ears, lock them in. I had a professor once that used to say, screw your hands into the ground. I mean, think of that, but make sure you don't turn your hands. Your fingers aren't pointing out to the side, they're pointing forward, okay? So lock them in, up onto the toes here, and then you're basically just gonna go crisscross with your knees, okay? Now be very mindful, your face should still be in the same spot. If you start to do this and suddenly you realize you're back here and you're looking down here, something went wrong, okay? So for some people, if it's helpful, put something right here where your eye line is gonna be and make sure that your eye line is above it the whole time. That way you'll know that your hips aren't hiking up and you're not pushing back, okay? So your body likes to do that to you when you're getting tired, and that's okay. All right, so here we go. Locked everything into place, 30 reps, here we go. So 1 set, 2 set, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to keep those hips down as best you can. All right, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull your knees up as high as they'll go. 20, here we go, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. All right. And again, if you think that's kind of easy or you thought it was too hard, take the workout, modify whatever kind of reps you like.